Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana, a flagship program of the government, was launched on 25th December 2000 to connect rural habitations with all-weather motorable roads. It has connected 1,60,979 habitations and constructed 6,68,307 kilometers. PMGSY is the lifeline through which all the welfare and developmental schemes of the government reach to the rural masses across India. This vast network of rural roads, having an asset value of 3,32,537 crores, requires regular maintenance and monitoring.
Maintenance of such large scale of rural road network is a huge challenge, especially considering the fact that this entire network has been developed over 2 decades.
The PMGSY contract document has an important provision that the same contractor who constructs the road has to maintain the road for 5 years post-construction. During construction of the road, the states used to follow the bill of quantities method to make payments to contractors, which has become a thing of the past with the newly introduced e-mark system for better monitoring and maintenance of the roads under PMGSY.
e-mark is a bouquet of IT-led initiatives sitting over the vast rural road network already mapped onto the GIS. We have now moved from pothole-based measurement system to performance-based measurement system for payment to the contractors for maintenance of PMGSY road.
e-mark is a fusion of technologies on open source, GIS, remote sensing, mobile and data analytics. It is being developed for monitoring of rural roads under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana.
e-mark system, a role model for minimum government, maximum governance, has been created by active collaboration by NIRDA and NIC. Many online and offline training programs were organized for the stakeholders, which helped all the state governments to overboard on this platform successfully despite the pandemic. Maintenance is a high volume and low ticket activity. Maintenance works are to be routinely conducted by the contractor, who then submits monthly bills, which are generally small in value as compared to bills related to the construction of new roads. Payment and clearance of these bills was a cumbersome process and a huge burden on district engineers as well as on the administrative staff.
But in the new system, there is a proper checklist, there is a proper marking, and only if a contractor or a particular road gets above a minimum threshold, only then the payment is made.
The contractor's work is monitored bi-monthly on 14 outcome parameters, and marks are given from 1 to 100, and only those who get more than 80 marks are eligible for payment and are paid proportionate to the marks earned. Engineers get regular notification from the system to visit the road site and conduct routine inspections using the e-mark mobile app. The app generates random locations on the road and directs the district engineer to click geotagged photographs on those locations or reaches as evidence against the performance of the road.
e-mark has become stable now. Last year, despite COVID, we were able to pay 600 crore rupees to the contractors, which is 30% higher than the year before. So far, 1300 PIUs and 12,000 contractors have already registered across the country. 3 lakh e-bills have been passed and digital payments have been made to the contractors. This covers 55,000 roads measuring about 2 lakh kilometers. Seeing the efficiency and success of e-mark, many state governments have approached us for using this platform for even non-PMGSY roads.
There is no denying the fact that e-mark is a robust one-point system which has brought in a sea change in monitoring and governance in the maintenance system of rural roads under Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana.